Hi! Your first asset is running in a Coreflux broker. You can monitor it on mqtt Explorer. Now you can see this running in your machine, and with a bridge asset, all this info could be sent into a centralized unit to control how this asset works. Also, you can install assets in an edge device through the bridge, because it's possible to deploy through the Coreflux pipeline. Let's install a second S7 asset. Renaming them at the start becomes especially important when this page starts to fill up with deployed assets. This could be an edge device, a monolithic server where you keep all your assets, or you can separate them according to your needs with a unified namespace, for example, to organize the brokers within your infrastructure. Let's try and get this asset running in the mqtt Explorer. It shows as waiting. Type the topic sys coreflux command and type -R followed by the asset name. Hit publish and now it's running. Hit pause here and play again. Jump to mqtt Explorer and you can catch it updating in real time. Memory size is increasing. You can check the sessions that are open here. Here's the mqtt Explorer. Here's the first S7. There's the Coreflux hub. And the second S7. You can also monitor all the communications from your Windows or Linux system to make sure you're the only one in here. See you on the next tutorial.